Hi Aparna,
Hi, sir.
how are you feeling? The huge release happens.
Yeah, I'm happy. I'm excited. A lot of mixed emotions, actually.
How are you feeling this, for you? Movie releasing in a huge way, 256 countries.
Yeah, actually, theater release. I'm missing it a big time. Theater release, but yeah, OTT platform. It's like a huge, opening and worldwide opening is not a small thing. So I think I'm very excited about that OTT release, worldwide OTT release. Yeah.
Okay, working with Surya sir, he's the finest artist in South India. Sharing screen with Surya sir, how you feel? What you learn from him?
So Surya sir is a very humble, very dedicated actor. I learned a lot of, mannerisms from him, as in how to take care of his co-stars, how to respect other people. Those were the things I learned mainly from Surya sir, and I think he's a great human being and an amazing actor with a lot of sincerity and dedication. That's what I learned from him.
Do you feel any comfortable working with the lady director, Sudha Kongara?
Yeah,
How?
sure. Sudha ma'am is as tough as anyone. She's a very tough director, but yes, when I talk about comfort level, there are a lot of things I was very comfortable with when it was Sudha ma'am. I could talk to her. I could, she knows me well. I can ask her if I'm not comfortable with a scene like this. So I think the comfort level was really huge when it was Sudha ma'am.
Okay, what do you mean by commercial heroine and non-commercial heroine, according to you?
There's nothing like that. Basically, character is the main thing. I think a lot of heroines, they're not getting proper screen space or proper characters, memorable characters. So I think memorable characters of female actors has to be there more. That can be in any movie. In this movie, Surya sir is there, but my character will be equally remembered by people. That's how this character is, strong character it is. So I think more characters like that should come.
For your characters, do you have any mannerisms?
Yeah, in this character is very strong, not like usual girls, not very shy and all, very fierce, very strong, like a fire she is. So this character is basically very self-made. Even if it's a village girl, she's very self-made and knows what she wants. So I think it's actually a very strong character in the movie.
This is story about a very inspirational person.
Yeah.
What do you think about him to
This is
enter into?
Yeah. This is actually a very inspiring story, also, like his life, Captain Gopinath sir's life. But it's not like it's an actual, depiction of Captain Gopinath sir or his wife. We are just taking the story of his journey. The story is being adapted to the movie. So I think it's more like that. It's a very inspiring story. A lot of people will get inspiration from Akashameni Hadura.
Do you understand Telugu, Aparna?
I
Okay,
can
okay,
understand a little bit, but I can't talk at all.
okay, okay. Are you watching Telugu movies? Are you
Yeah,
watching? How?
I'm watching a lot of Telugu movie, but Telugu is very, very fast. How much ever I try, I'll not get to speak it properly. I watch a lot of Telugu movie. Recently, I watched Miss India, Kirti Suresh. Otherwise, I've watched Mahanati, Arjun Reddy, and every lot of Tamil Telugu movies I've watched.
Okay, are you getting any opportunities from Telugu industry? Are you hearing any stories?
Not yet, but I think after this movie, I hopefully think I'll get some good stories from Telugu too. Then I'll learn Telugu properly. And
Uh, what kind of expectations do you have for your character?
I have. basically it has to be a memorable one. It has to have an impact on the audience. So if you take one of the recent examples is Mahanati, which portrayed by Kirti Suresh. So I think that type of characters, that has to be there more. uh, I got very inspired by the movie Mahanati, and the way she depicted Savitri Amma on screen was amazing. So I think I'm a huge fan of Kirti Suresh. So I think more movies like that should come.
Okay, are you looking for only performance-oriented and strongly written characters?
Yeah, yeah. I'm only
So,
looking for that. Yeah.
okay, okay. You worked with Fazil Manishanta Pratikara.
Yeah, yeah.
He's also a great performer, and Surya sir also finest performer. What is your experience to work with such a legendary
Yeah.
artist?
Actually, Fahad Fasil was like he does everything with his eyes. That comes naturally to him. He's a very natural actor, and what I understood from him was he can handle any character. Anything given to him, he'll handle it in different way. The characters might be similar, but it will be totally different if he does this. So yeah, I've been very fortunate to act with Fahad Fasil and Surya sir, because Surya sir, we've been watching him since really long time. Since my childhood, I've been seeing Surya sir's movies. So that's like an inspiration to act with him. And even now, how he has maintained himself, how he is working towards his every character of his, that's something we have to learn from him. Yeah, I think he's still a very hardworking person, no matter what.
Every director has its own making style. Uh, what you tell about your director Sudha?
Sudha ma'am's style is Sudha ma'am wants everything to be prepared beforehand. So even before shooting, she wants everyone to know their dialogues, know exactly what they're doing. So before shooting itself, we were thorough with our dialogues. We knew all our dialogues well. We had a lot of reading sessions. So I think that is what makes Sudha ma'am very special. She's very particular about reading, and that has helped us a lot while shooting the movie.
Okay, any memorable experience with on location or Surya sir?
Yeah, yeah. We have had a lot of memorable, moments there, especially shooting the songs. It was really nice to shoot the songs. We had to dance, and dancing was another task for all of us because the steps were very different. We had folk Madurai style dancing in between the song, you can see. So it was very tricky, but we enjoyed the process a lot. The dancing steps and all are not very typical. It's very different from other movies and all. So I think that that was a very memorable shooting experience.
The favorite song?
I'll try singing Kartika Kanle from this movie. కాటుక కణలే మెరసిపోయే పిల్లడ నిన్ను చూసి మాటలగన్నే మరిచిపోయే నీలే నెమిలేసి ఇల్లువలకి రంగు రంగు మగ్గులేట నాటు గుండె కింద సత్త జోరనా వెప్ప చెట్టు అక్కులన గుమ్మరించి తాత్తు ఏడు కమ్ము జాతరొచ్చరా నా కొంగు శివర దక్కుతున్న చిల్లర కబ్బురు రాత్రి నరతన నానా మోడు విరుపురాదు ఉన్న అడవిలేంటి ఆశకేమో ఒక్కసారి చిగురొచ్చరా నా మనసే నీ వెనక్కి తీరిగదే నీ మనసే నాకి మిన్ని ఆడినది. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Superb, superb, Aparna. Are you comfortable with? Do you have any language barrier to work?
Actually, if you talk about Telugu now, I've tried learning, but I've never been able to completely learn the language. Maybe because I haven't met a lot of people, Telugu people. I haven't had a proper conversation. Maybe like that I would learn. But Tamil, when it came to Tamil, I know basic Tamil. I know, but Madurai slang, I had to had a lot of training. Madurai slang was something tough, and I had got a different training for that by 2-3 people. So then I didn't have any language barrier, but it was fine, but it was tough to do Madurai slang.
How much do you relate it to your character?
I relating to the character, not much, because Bomi is a very different character. It's not like me at all. But the fun part I could relate. Bomi's very fun, jolly part I could relate to that a lot, but not the fierce part. Fierce part, Bomi was a very fierce and strong lady, but she's also a very happy, jolly person. So that one I could relate to a lot.
Surya sir, given any suggestions to you during the shoot?
Yeah, during shoot, during dubbing and everything, he had suggested me with a lot of language. I mean, with a small dialogues and everything. He gave me a lot of space. He was very patient. Basically, he was very patient. Yeah, and if I'm not getting it right, he used to tell me, you can do it like this, you can try doing it like that and all. So yeah, he was very helpful.
Okay, thank you and wish you all the best.
Thank you.
This is Abhinav Gomatam.
Hello, Nenu Avantika Mishra.
Hello, this is Tarun Bhaskar. Please subscribe to TV5 Tollywood.
Please subscribe to TV5 Tollywood.
Please subscribe to TV5 Tollywood.